Welcome back to my channel. Everybody wants beautiful glowing skin without makeup. So in this video I will share that magical mask with natural ingredients which literally less costly. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for this purpose we take 1 tablespoon gram flour, pinch of turmeric, squeeze half lemon, one tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, mix it well until it will make a smooth paste like this. Benefits of this mask: this will help to remove suntan, minimize open pores, improve your complexion and give natural glow to your face. How to apply? Firstly, you have to clean your face. Then apply all over your face. You can also apply on your neck, hand and feet. When it will dry, wash with normal water. Apply this mask twice a week for better result. Don't forget to apply moisturizer after wash. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.